Hello, this is Charles Schiller with Gateway Inspections. We're here looking at this new home construction. And as you can see, we have a nice AC unit right here running real well. But right next to it, we have this dryer duct. And the dryer duct lint will obviously get pulled into the coils of this unit eventually. So this is one of the things that you need to look for during new home inspections, new construction inspections, to make sure that these type of issues don't cause problems later on. Because all the lint that comes out of those dryers would definitely get congested in those coils and cost you money down the road. This is Charles Schiller with Gateway Inspections. I've been protecting home buyers for over 20 years.